Hello PSI students. Many of you do face challenge with answer writing. So for those who have already done some answer writing and they face problem with scoring more in the mains, for them we have started the test series. But now there is another chunk of students who have just completed their foundation and who have not written any answer till now. For those students, we are bringing up daily answer writing and mentorship program, that is DAM. In this program, you shall be having a time-bound revision where for every day a specific portion of the syllabus shall be given to you. You will revise that, you will write the answer, you will upload the answer, and in the next 24 hours, your answer will get evaluated. So this we shall be doing 5 days a week for next 3 months. So what will happen is that because of this 24-hour window, it will ensure a time-bound revision of the syllabus by breaking it in micro portions and then writing those, getting your answers evaluated, listening to the video discussion as well as the answers that is being provided to you. So this will ensure that in the next 3 months, you get a wholesome preparation of your PSIR. And apart from that, for the contemporary issues, whether it is about the IGP or the IR, for them, we shall have individual lectures so that that particular portion, the current portion, is also covered and you will also get the content or the notes for that. And after completion of paper 1, we will have one full-length test, and after completion of paper 2, we shall have another full-length test. So with this, you will also get an idea of how to write a whole test in a time-bound manner after a detailed revision. So this is our effort to ensure that you end this hesitation of answer writing, you start revision, you start writing, and you complete your PSIR preparation for mains 2025 by the end of January 2025. And apart from test, evaluation, content, and video discussion, we shall also have weekly Zoom session so that whatever doubts that you have, that can get addressed completely. For the students who live Delhi or nearby areas who can come to the center, then we can have one-to-one discussion for whatever doubts that you have. Okay? So for the foundation students who have just completed their foundation and the students who have not yet started any of the answer writing, this is the chance for you to strengthen your PSIR preparation, to complete it along with revision and answer writing so that you are completely ready for the mains 2025. Thank you very much.